Longan, with its sweet, refreshing taste and mild fragrance, is a precious gift from nature offered by Asian farmers, not just a familiar fruit. Longan symbolizes hard work, ingenuity, and creativity in traditional agriculture. Asia, with its tropical and humid climate, produces millions of tons of longans annually, supplying markets worldwide. However, the journey to create those golden, luscious bunches of longans is filled with challenges that only those who cultivate the fruit truly understand. Join us as we explore the harvesting process of longans, revealing secrets from selecting the finest fruits to unique techniques that few people know about, giving viewers a deeper appreciation of the magical hands that transform nature into perfect sweetness. Preparing for a bumper longan crop. The longan tree is a perennial fruit tree that requires meticulous care from planting to harvest. Farmers in countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and China often select varieties suited to the specific climate and soil conditions of their region. After each harvest season, farmers prune branches, fertilize the soil, and address pest problems to ensure the trees are strong enough for the next season. During the flowering phase, techniques such as spraying water to maintain humidity or using biofertilizers to enhance tree health are essential secrets to uniform growth. Longan flowers and the pollination process. The delicate, white blossoms of longan are the foundation of a successful harvest season. Pollination is the most critical stage in the tree's growth cycle. Many farmers use natural methods, such as releasing bees into the orchards to promote pollination. Particularly in Luc Nhan, Vietnam, locals combine beekeeping with flower density management to achieve optimal results. From tiny fruit to ripe treasure, unique nurturing techniques to ensure the best quality longans. Farmers often thin out weaker bunches, allowing the tree to focus its nutrients on stronger clusters. In China, many farms use drip irrigation systems combined with temperature and humidity sensors to optimize tree nutrition. Another unique technique involves shielding the fruit clusters with paper bags or fine mesh to prevent pests and direct sunlight exposure. This method helps the longans develop beautiful color and natural sweetness. Determining the perfect harvest time. Harvesting longans requires not only intuition but also careful observation and experience. Farmers often measure the fruit's sweetness using Brix meters or rely on natural signs, such as the color of the skin changing from light green to golden yellow. In Vietnam, the harvest season typically runs from July to September. Meanwhile, in Thailand, farmers extend their season by employing techniques to stimulate off-season flowering. Hand harvesting, the art in manual labor. In many rural areas, the traditional harvesting method is still preserved. Farmers use sharp scissors to cut individual bunches of longans, ensuring the stems remain intact. The harvested bunches are then carefully placed in bamboo baskets lined with banana leaves to protect the fruit and keep it fresh. Modern technology in harvesting. Today, many large-scale farms in China and Thailand have embraced modern technologies to increase harvesting efficiency. Automated cutting tools allow fast harvesting without damaging the trees. Drones identify ripe bunches in orchards. Conveyor systems automatically sort fruits by size and quality. Unique harvesting techniques. In some regions, farmers use long poles with attached blades to harvest longans from tall trees. In Thailand, some farms combine harvesting events with local festivals, creating a lively atmosphere and attracting tourists. Post-harvest processing and preservation. After harvesting, longans must be promptly handled to maintain freshness and quality. The fruit is often washed in cold water to remove dirt and lightly dried to extend shelf life. In Vietnam, hung yen longans are commonly exported fresh or processed into dried longans, a high-value product in international markets. Transportation and export. Large farms in Asia have invested in modern cold storage facilities to ensure longans are kept at ideal temperatures from harvest to consumers. China and Thailand lead longan exports, supplying the fruit to Europe, the United States, and other regions. Millions of tons of longans every year are not just a number, but a testament to the relentless effort of Asian farmers. From nurturing the trees to employing unique harvesting techniques, they transform ordinary orchards into nature's treasure troves. The next time you savor a sweet and fragrant bunch of longans, take a moment to think about the diligent hands that made this delightful experience possible.